How can my small business start leveraging search engine optimization? That's a great question, and a lot of business owners ask the same exact thing. In this video, we are going to give you 3 steps that you can start doing today in order to start leveraging search engine optimization. Let's dive right in. Now, the first thing that you have to start doing in order to leverage search engine optimization better is you have to start using Google Keyword Planner. Google Keyword Planner, in my opinion, is probably one of the most underutilized tools today of any web page builder out there. What Google Keyword Planner is going to allow you to do is it's going to allow you to find the exact keyword phrases that your customer is searching on Google. So what you do is you type in phrases and keyword phrases that you think your customer is searching. Google Keyword Planner is then going to give you a huge list of keywords that people are searching. This information is going to have the competition of each keyword from high, medium to low. So that means it's going to tell you which keyword is harder to take than others. It's also going to give you a range of how many times these keyword phrases are being searched on Google, and it's even going to tell you if this keyword phrase has been used in any of your Google keyword ad accounts. So the number one thing that you have to do in order to start leveraging search engine optimization better is you have to start using Google Keyword Planner. Now that you've started using Google Keyword Planner, the second step to do to start leveraging search engine optimization is to, well, build web pages. What we're going to do is we are going to take all of the information that we just got from Google Keyword Planner, and we are going to build a web page based around all of the keyword phrases for the medium and low competition keywords. The reason you want to pick the medium to low competition keywords is because the high competition keywords are usually taken up by websites that have been around the block, and it's going to be a lot harder for you to rank for those search results. When you target the medium to low keywords, you will have a higher success rate of actually showing up for the search results, and when you start showing up for those search results, it's going to be a lot easier to show up for the high competition search results. So, build a web page for every keyword phrase that is in the medium to low category on the Google Keyword Planner, and you will be on your way to leveraging search engine optimization. Now, the third thing that you can start doing in order to leverage your search engine optimization is to start submitting your web content directly to Google Search Console. Now, from my experiences, a lot of people think that once you build a web page, you kind of just wait. You wait for Google to spider the web and find your web page, and then you'll start showing up in search results. And that's true, but we can speed the process up just by simply submitting our web content to Google Search Console. Therefore, submit every web page and web content that you create to Google Search Console, and you are going to speed up your search engine optimization. Thank you for watching IMR on YouTube. For more digital marketing videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for premium content, visit us online at infinitemediaresources.com.